I'm your Mr. Professional Hacker, and today's tool is Reaver. It is a very important and powerful tool. Actually, this is a Wi-Fi WPS password cracking tool. It's a very dangerous and powerful tool for Wi-Fi password cracking. So let's start with the theory and then move on to the practical part. Okay. First, I need to share the link in FB groups. Okay. I want people join to me live, and then we will start our lecture. So here is, I will share in the group. Okay, just wait a while. English Wi-Fi hacking. Password cracking tool lecture is started. Join to me live now. And just wait a while. I will share this link. Okay, then we will start our lecture. Okay, it's almost done here. So lecture is started now, and live class is started. Okay, just wait. Live class is started. Join now. Okay, let's move on. You need to watch complete lecture. Okay, our tool is actually here. I need to clear our terminal, and which person came on new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment also, and watch complete lecture, because this is actually this is network hacking lecture. Okay? So it's very important. Here is, and tool is Reaver. This is a very dangerous tool. If you want to see about that, just click on it and see here complete detailed commands with description available here. But first we need to see what is Reaver. Reaver is a powerful tool used for brute force attacks on Wi-Fi protected setup in order to recover the VPA2 passphrase. It specially targeted routers with VPS enables, which is a feature designed to make it easier to connect devices to a wireless network. Unfortunately, VPS has vulnerability that allows tools to like Reaver to exploit them. How Reaver works? First step is target WPS PIN. Reaver exploit a flaw in WPS PIN authentication. It sends multiple attempts, brute force, to guess the correct VPN PIN. Second thing is recover VPA2 key. Once the correct PIN is found, Reaver can retrieve the VPA2 passphrase, allowing an attacker to connect to the Wi-Fi network. First thing I told you, this tool, these all tool, actually this portion work on only wireless networks, and if your internet have a wireless extension, then it's working on your network. Otherwise, it did not work on your network. If you don't have wireless extension or you don't have wireless internet. Okay, so this thing is clear. Okay, Number third, persistence. Reaver is designed to work even if the process is interrupted. It can resume from where it left off, which is useful when brute forcing large combinations. Importance of Reaver. Effective against vulnerable networks. If VPS is enabled on a router, Reaver can crack the network password without needing to capture large amounts of traffic like traditional VPA, VPA2 cracking methods. Number two, no need for word list. Unlike some Wi-Fi attack methods that require large dictionaries of possible passwords, Reaver simply brute forces the PIN, which is relatively short. Now next step is purpose of Reaver. Wi-Fi security testing. Reaver is mainly used by penetration testers to assess the security of wireless networks, especially to test if the WPS PIN can be exploited. Number two, auditing wireless networks. It helps network administrators and security professionals identify vulnerabilities in their Wi-Fi setups. Okay. When to use Reaver? To audit the security of networks with VPS enable, to demonstrate the risk of using VPS for Wi-Fi connections, to understand the weakness in VPA, VPA2 security models when VPS is involved. Okay. Now, our theory is complete here, and now next step is our practical session. So, these two people joined to me live here. Please request to all take complete lecture. Okay, and if you are beginner, then you need to start from first lecture, and you can doing both. You take live class and also you take start to learn from first lecture. Okay, now let's start our commands. Okay, first I told you again, this tool is working on wireless networks, and if wireless extension enabled on your network, then it's working, otherwise it did not do any work on your network. And again I told you, my internet is only a simple internet, ETH0 internet. Okay, I don't have any wireless extension, and I don't have any wireless card, so that's why it's not working on my PC. But if you have wireless network and wireless extension on your internet, then it's working, and you get result from it. You can crack any wireless network Wi-Fi and take password. First you need to do, here you type a Reaver. Okay, Reaver, then you type hyphen interface. You type here hyphen interface. Here is a Reaver example, Reaver hyphen like that. Okay, it's showed you just to type here a Reaver hyphen I. If your internet interface is LAN 0, then you type here LAN 0. Okay, if your interface is ETH0, my interface is ETH0. Okay, I type here ETH0. But here is actually first step is we need to do in monitor mode. Okay, if I don't start in monitor mode, then it's not working, and then it's nothing show anything in front of you. Here you just type ETH0 mon, then you type here B, then you need to type here BSS ID, for example. Here I type like that. Okay, if I type same command here, actually I type in front of you half command. Just for this understanding, if you type some wrong command or if you type some half command, then it showed you method. It's not do working for you. Just I type here, because my internet is Here just ETH0. Okay. Here see what he say, a Reaver 1.6.6 Wi-Fi protected setup attack tool. Okay. Failed to retrieve a MAC address for interface ETH0 more. Because I don't have wireless extension, I don't have wireless card, okay, and right now I don't have MAC address. I just type here dummy MAC address, okay. So let's move on our first command because it's not working on my PC. So let's start our first command. Interface. Here you just type a simple Reaver -I. After when you start in monitor mode, then you start type next commands. Okay, here you just type your interface. My interface is ETH0. It's not working on my PC, I told you, okay. Specifies the monitor mode interface to use for the attack. This command actually specifies the monitor mode interface to use for the attack. If your PC start in monitor mode, then you type this command, it specifies the specify the monitor mode interface to use for the attack. When you start your attacking on your network or your victim network, okay. Okay, this is first command. Let's move on next command. I type here just commands. You need to do practical on your system. Next command is BSSID. BSSID, just you type here -I, then you type here ETH0 more, then you type here -B. Actually this is first command, monitor mode command. Okay, let's move on. Next command is and sets the BSSID, it's called a MAC address of the target access point. This is crucial for identifying which AP to attack. Okay, which AP to attack. Okay, let's move on. Next command is optional arguments. Here start a MAC address. Here just you type -I, then you type here ETH0 non, then you type -B, then you type here I type here example MAC address 22334455. Okay, let's move here. You type -M, then type here -AA :BB, then again you type :CC, then again here you type :DD, again colon, then you type EE, again colon, then you type FF. Okay. Spoofs your device MAC address. This command spoof your device's MAC address. This can be useful for avoiding, detecting, or preventing a block. Understand? If you type this command, okay, just only 2% joined to me now still. Okay. Spoofs your device's MAC addresses. This can be useful for avoiding, detecting, or preventing a block. If I enter here, then here is Reaver -I like that. First step is monitor mode. When start monitor mode, then you type all commands one by one and then get your result. Okay, next step is -ESSID. Okay, again here you type ETH0. My interface is ETH0, but your interface is maybe some difference. Okay, again here you type -B, then again here you type same, and here you type a simple hyphen e. Okay, then you type here my Wi-Fi network. My Wi-Fi network, actually this is the name of your victim Wi-Fi. Like that, I set the name of my network, I set the name of Pakistan, I set the name of any name you can set on your Wi-Fi, then you type here. Okay, specifies the ESSID network name. It is actually network name of the target AP, your target AP. This option can help when targeting a specific network. If you want to attack on specific network, then you type command like this and hit enter. But you need to provide her MAC address authentic of your victim internet, and then real name of your victim type here. Other command is same, just here you type your victim Wi-Fi name, and here you type your victim ESSID like that, and here you type your victim internet interface, and then you hit enter. Then it's start attacking on your specific provided Wi-Fi. Let's move on. Next command is okay. Next command is hyphen channel. Here you again type 80 mon, and here you type hyphen B, and again here you type same, and then remove, then type hyphen C6. Okay, forces the interface to operate on a specific 802.11 channel. It's called channel. This is useful when the target AP is on a specific channel. Okay, this command actually when useful when you target on specific channel, like it's depend on you. If you have detail about your victim, all detail about your victim internet, then you type here 6. For example, I type here 10. Okay, and my ESSID or my SSID or my MAC address same like that, and when I hit enter, it's working on target AP on your specific channel. Okay, understand? Let's move on next command. Next command is hyphen session. Again same thing, just you type 0000 colon 11 colon 22 colon 33 colon 44. Actually this is dummy. MAC address, so you need to type here your victim authentic MAC address, otherwise it's not working. I told you again, hyphen, here you type hyphen S, and then you type session, then you type here session hyphen file. It's called session hyphen file. Restore a previous session to resume the attack from where it left off. For example, if you start your attack and after some network problem, and after you don't want to work again, you don't want to work continue, then you stop your session, and then if you want to restore your session, which place where you stop, then type this command and your session is started. Okay, let's move on next command, because we have a lot of commands, that's why we need to complete early. Okay, next move on exe command. Same command, just here you type a capital C, and then here you type colon. Okay, then here you type echo Then here you type which pin password you recovered. Here I just type for your understanding, for your uh, practical recovered, pin recovered, and then here you type this one and then type, but you don't type same like that. When you do working, okay, then you take your password, execute a custom command when a successful VPS pin recovery is completed. When your recovery is completed, okay, pin recovery is completed, then you type this command, okay, it shows a result like that. Let's move on next command, hyphen fixed. Here you just type hyphen f. Other command is totally same, but sorry, just here I need to type hyphen b. Okay, hyphen b is missing in previous command. Must need to see, first must you need to see command is correct or not. If your command is incorrect, then it's also, then it's need to remember it showed you error. First you need to check your complete command with complete requirements. If any requirement missing in your command, then it's not working and showed you error. Okay, so disables channel hopping, keeping the interface on a specific channel. Okay, it's working like that. Okay, let's move on. Next command is hyphen 5 gigahertz. Same other command is totally same, just type here hyphen 5 gigahertz. Forces Reaver to use 5 gigahertz channels instead of 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, understand? Let's move on next command. Next step is hyphen v, increases verbosity, providing detailed output using hyphen v or hyphen vvv. Increase the detail even more. If you want more detail, then you can use this command and it's provide you a more detail about your internet. Okay, let's move on next step, hyphen quiet. Here you just type hyphen q, just simple. Other command is totally same. Limits output to only critical messages, which is useful for keeping the console clean. Okay, understand? Let's move on next command. Now here is advanced level commands. Here I will teach you how to use this tool in advanced level. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay, let's move on. Next command is, okay, here other command is totally same, 00 colon 11 again colon 22 again colon 33 again colon 44 again colon 55. Just type here hyphen p and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Uses a specific VPS pin instead of brute forcing it. If you want to do brute forcing it, then you can then you need to type like that password 1.1234567 like that. Okay, uses a specific VPS pin instead of brute forcing. Understand? Let's move on next command. It's advanced level command, hyphen delay. Here just you type hyphen d and here you can type 2 second, 5 second, 10 second, it's your choice. Sets a delay between pin attempts. Okay, 2 second, 5 second, 10 second, it's your choice. Sets a delay between pin attempts. 2 second, 5 second, 10 second, it's your choice. Sets a delay between pin attempts. 2 second, 5 second, 10 second, it's your choice. Sets a delay between pin attempts. This is useful when an AP is likely to block after rapid attempts. Again, I repeat, sets a delay between pin attempts. This is useful when an AP is likely to block after rapid attempts. When type this command, it showed you result when I speak now. Okay, let's move on. Next command is -log. Here you just type -l, simple, and just you type 1/22. Sets the amount of time to wait if the AP logs pin attempts, VPS log. If your VPS log, then you need to type and then you need to set here time. Okay, when its time is completed, then pin attempts, VPS attempts is logged. Let's move on. Next command is -maxi attempts. Just you need to type here G and then type here 50. Sets a maximum number of pin attempts after which the program will stop. If your program is stopped, first you need to do, first step is sets a maximum number of pin attempts. If you want to do set your maximum pin attempts is 100, then you type here 100. If you want 50, then you type here 50. If you want 60, it's depend on you. You type here randomly. Okay, when you hit enter and after stop, already he sets on this. Let's move on. Next command is, my English is not good, so please understand what I say. Okay, my English is not good. Just you need to understand my practical. Okay, let's move on. Fall wait. Just you type here -x and type here 60. Specifies the time to wait after a set of 10 failed pin attempts. Again listen, specifies the time to wait after a set of 10 failed attempts. Okay, other command is totally same, just ending part is different. Next command is --recurring. Just to type here -r and type here 5:30. Sets a recurring sleep period every X pin attempts for Y second. Sets a recurring sleep period every X pin attempts for Y seconds. And I told you before which person come now and which person join to me now. Listen again. This tool actually working on wireless networks and on which networks which have a wireless extension. Otherwise, simple networks, this tool is not working. This tool is showed you error if you don't have wireless extension and if you don't have wireless internet. So first requirement, okay, remember. Okay, let's move on. Next command is T and then 50. Here type 50. Sets the timeout period for receiving responses from the AP. This command is show you receiving responses from the AP. Let's move on. Next command is -- non-associated. Here you just type a simple capital A. Okay, does not associate with the AP, useful when using another tool to handle associations. Okay, let's move on. Next command, ignore -log. Here you just type -l capital. Okay, ignores the logged state of the AP and continues to attempt pins. Understand? Let's move on. Next command. Almost 20 commands is goes and more commands available here. Okay, let's move. Here you type a -s capital. uses smaller Diffie-Hellman keys to speed up the cracking process. Now here is a advanced level commands. In advanced level commands, cracking process is started from this command. Okay, let's move on. Next command is, here you just type a hyphen win 7. Mimics a Windows 7 registrar to potentially improve the success rate of the attack. Actually, this command showed to your victim it's actually a Windows 7, but it's a cracking command, and it's crack your victim password and provide you detail. Okay, let's move on. Next command is hyphen pixie. Here you just type capital K. Okay, initiates the pixie dust attack. I told about this tool in previous lecture, so you need to take complete lectures from first if you are beginner stage. Okay, also you need to join me live. After one day I do lecture on this channel, and also you need to start from first lecture, then you understand, otherwise you don't understand anything. Which is a faster way to crack VPS if the AP is vulnerable to this specific weakness. Okay, understand? Let's move on. Next command, output file. If you want to save your data in someone file, then you type here -log and .pcap. Okay, if you hit enter and complete its requirement and hit enter, then first it's doing working on this, and then save your complete data in this file, attack-log.pcap file. Okay, let's move on. Next command is, here is almost our command is done, and with that we conclude our lecture. Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, watch full video, like, comment and share. Your support is really appreciated. So I will see you in the next lecture. Okay, you need